Hello and welcome to Bidpulse. Today we're going to be talking about pricing. There are monthly pricing plans and annual pricing plans. Everyone who starts with Bidpulse gets 5 days. You get of free usage. You get to track 2 auctions in those 5 days and make 2 snipes, as well as get SMS and email alerts. Once that 5 days elapses, your access is revoked and you have to move to a paid plan. But hopefully by that time, you will have seen enough value in the service to do that. The next tier up is Basic Sniper at $13 a month. That gives you the ability to track 10 auctions and do 10 snipes a month. Then you move to the next tier, which is Pro Sniper, which is $29 a month and gets you 20 auctions and 20 snipes per month. Finally, the highest tier that we have at $49 a month is the Elite tier. You get up to 100 auctions and unlimited snipes on those auctions. You can change your plan at any time and upgrade or downgrade as you see fit. If you'd like to commit to an annual plan, there's a 30% savings. And if you click this button, as I just did, you'll see what the annual cost will be. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out using the online form, and I'll get back to you as quickly as possible. Thank you.